these little baby ones in the front. So if it's a baby one, leave it alone.
Okay.
If it's a big feller like this one,
Yeah, big feller.
yep, we're gonna take these out. Now, the other thing is there's gonna be two types of peas. There are ones that are just like a nice clump, so like short ones that will just use the whole lettuce.
Yeah.
This one is getting too tall where the stem, like you don't want that stem because it's bitter and people don't want to eat it. So we'll pull these and do this as like a spring mix type of bag and just pull the leaves off.
What about the bottom leaves that have been in the water?
We don't want the nasty leaves. We only want the green, fresh, delicious leaves.
Okay.
Because we don't want to eat them if they're not delicious.
That's good.
So there's also two sizes of bags. You can do a small bag of like little leaves. Or you can do like the big bags with the whole head of lettuce. Two of you can get behind the thing if you want. You just gotta walk around. And then somebody can plant in the little holes. If you want to plant baby lettuce.
I'll get back here.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you this one. You can pull off the leaves.
All right.
Make a yummy.
Did it how you learn?
So we don't do that.
And a bag.
When are you guys gonna go to soccer practice?
So like
After this. Yeah.
this.
That's cool. I thought you were gonna leave it.
Those are okay.
Like, what's the?
Tell Noah I say hi.
Okay. So that, even though it has some eminence,
Just get rid of that.
get rid of this.
No.
Get rid of it. Okay.
Look at it and think, would I eat that?
Well, I mean,
Does it
I'm
look
not a big
delicious?
lettuce guy.
Okay. Would a lettuce person eat
I don't even have any.
I don't know. I'm not a lettuce guy.
Oh, I know. Oh, yeah.
Would a lettuce
That's
person,
Miss Drummer.
would a lettuce
She
person
said-
eat this?
Oh,
We would
yeah, I'm
not because
talking
it's
about-
slimy and no, it's like
Okay.
it's flaccid.
Okay. So now I card.
All right, so
What about
this
these?
one because it's a whole head of lettuce.
Why don't you just take a bag with you? Okay, just leave a bag holder. You know, a bag holder. Leave a bag holder, please.
I can be the bag holder.
Thank you so much.
First, you got to tell me about how you're doing and what you're doing here. What you doing here, Mike?
Okay. Why are there like 4 tennis?
Can you tell me what you're doing?
This drummer,
Yes.
what about this giant one?
What cake?
I haven't seen it.
Feel like we're
It's not steady.
That was Demi? It wasn't Demi?
No, we didn't. It wasn't ready.
No.
Oh gosh.
And now I do with this what?
You put it in a bag.
Where?
If it's posted on
This bag, right here.
I've been thinking of getting one of those ski masks. Yeah.
Get this bag.
Sound about the sound effect would help me get there.
I'm gonna edit that for you. I'll personally.
Put the bag in the. What?
Wait, is this a spring mix one?
No, don't cut it. Why are you so cutty? You're so antsy to cut. You don't have to cut them off.
This looks like a cuttable one, don't you think?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I
but
just cut the leaves off these ones.
I know what I'm doing,
Send
Murphy.
you the video or some photos.
Sure.
Yes.
Zach, hold it, and look at.
Who?
Oh, look that way. No, towards Mackenzie. There you go.
Yeah.
That works.
Fish
Thank you.
juice. That one's good. Yeah. You can put this.
Yeah. I'm just cutting off the leaves.
That's
right?
fine. For the real stalky ones, like that one's really tall. Just cut the leaves.
Oh.
Oh, are you handing them to
Are
me?
you also
Yeah.
filming?
Thanks.
I don't know if you're doing.
Crappy, I'm stuffy.
Why you still throw it? I didn't throw it, I dropped it in. Just make sure you hold it all the way up in there.
like stocks.
I'm gonna take one and like.
It's a weird concept though. Waste your money.
One. Because they're actually pretty well.
Oh.
And that one.
Oh, how'd that fall off?
That's
well, I guess
good.
it was just time for it.
That's a good one. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
No, no. It's wilted
That's kind of stocky.
So
and
like,
wilted.
Yeah, that's stocky. I would take.
do this green
I wouldn't.
lettuce. And then that half.
Sorry.
goes
Should I
back.
cut
Oh,
it
no,
up?
you're fine.
So
Yeah.
you should probably only have. So I'm gonna show you how to see this is.
Definitely.
It's all done now.
No, we sell these. No, we sell these.
Alright, here's what we're
Look at
gonna
that
do.
with me.
My eyes get all like trippy when I've been looking here and then I look that way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I know.
yeah.
Alright.
Jemima, did you get both sides? Yeah. Thank you.
They plant in here.
I feel like
how
I'm
come
on,
there ain't
like-
no plants?
Because she just put the seeds in.
Hey,
Like,
how
just-
plants work?
Okay, alright, should I remove my gloves now?
What is this?
Nope. Still gotta be
This
gloved.
filters any like big pieces that flow from here to there, so they don't clog up the.
Can he be under the light?
Who? I mean, briefly.
What kind of light is it?
UV.
Type of radiation, actually. Somewhere-
Get those,
Somewhat similar to
You know,
Alright,
radiation.
we're
hold
gonna
on,
take
wait a
this
minute,
off.
who's it? Does that mean it's gonna sunburn me?
I mean, for long exposure, yes. We're gonna bring that.
What if I'm
to the seed.
particularly prone to
Okay, now I don't know if it's on my clothes, but
That's
that's
big,
that's not so good.
No, it wouldn't.
I think I'm good.
No, I'm good.
Alright.
Well, maybe
I don't
watch
think
those
you're fully
wires,
gloved yet.
because it is
Mhm.
dripping.
I think we're gonna be digging in the water. I don't
are
think
we?
you wanna be digging in
Why are we digging?
fish-proof water without gloves on.
Why are we digging?
Because we're cleaning this. Are we cleaning?
See where the water flows to the next row.
And that's where you all disgusting people that think about it right. That how no, obviously I'm not. I'm gonna be at the audio. I'm just gonna put condoms if you want to do it. I'll make like a car edit. Somehow, I don't know what to do. Something, you know?